Conjunctions. A conjunction is a linking word. A conjunction joins words, phrases, and clauses together. This is the conjunction robot. Can you see how the robot's necklace is joined together? Here are two separate sentences. Anna enjoys eating bananas. She doesn't like oranges. We can connect the two sentences together by using a conjunction, like the conjunction but. The two sentences have now become one sentence joined by a conjunction. Anna enjoys eating bananas, but she doesn't like oranges. The conjunction is but. A conjunction can also go at the start of the sentence. For example, in the sentence brush your teeth before you go to bed, the conjunction is before. But we can change the sentence so the conjunction goes at the start. Before you go to bed, brush your teeth. Before is still the conjunction linking the two clauses together. So, we know a conjunction is a linking word which joins words, phrases, and clauses together. Here, the conjunction and has linked together two words in a sentence, bowling and tennis. Jeremy likes bowling and tennis. The conjunction is and. There are lots of different conjunctions. You'll learn more about the different types of conjunctions in other nuggets on Century. Now it's your turn. He could run or jog. What is the conjunction in this sentence? Pause the video if you would like some time to think. In this sentence, or is the conjunction. It's linking the words run and jog. Have another go. Although Lisa had a stomachache, she still went to school. What is the conjunction in this sentence? The conjunction is although. It's connecting the two clauses in the sentence. So remember, a conjunction is a linking word which joins words, phrases, and clauses together.